Hey guys, I have no idea why I'm doing one of these videos, but here goes. So, I have a 50cc P Sports. This isn't the GY6 motor, this is the real Y8 motor from Yamaha. And if you guys don't know how to do a 50cc oil change, this is how I'm gonna do it. Well, there's really only one way to do it, but it's pretty straightforward. So you're going to want to come over to the right side of the bike, and all you need for tools is an adjustable wrench. That's all you need to do this. So here's what you're going to try to be getting at here is your little oil basket cover here. You got a filter and a spring. There is a hole right there where you can see the oil dripping from. That is where you are unscrewing this big boy right here. So I just went ahead and threw a nice adjustable wrench on there that I keep in my scooter. It works really good. So you're just gonna want to let all that oil drip out of there. You don't have to clean that off, but it is the nicer model. So I don't know if I'm gonna clean it. I don't give a shit, honestly. But you can come over here to your oil dipstick and just take it out. It doesn't have to be out all the way, so I had it screwed in. Just get some airflow in there. So it is almost done dripping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set you guys up here, so hopefully you can see what the hell I am doing under here. Let's see. That's good. Oh, by the way, the oil, I'll show you guys after. So what you're gonna want to do here is stick your oil filter right in that spring, and then you're gonna want to take your cover and throw that right in there, like that. So it can be pretty tricky to get it back in because it does tumble. The thing I do, I don't know, I just hold it with my thumb and my pointer finger underneath, and I just shove it in there. And we are, if I am not mistaken, twisting to the right here, or the left, I don't know. There's a bunch of weird different bolts on this guy, so I usually have to fiddle around with it a little bit. But, okay, so we're twisting to the left. Alright. Yeah, I'll always keep a rag around too, because these caps do get pretty messy. And it does get pretty dirty around here. I said I was going to leave it, but I don't know. This is my baby here. So you're going to want to go ahead and just tighten that up. Here I go, doing it the wrong way. Okay. Just tighten that up. I'm used to working on big V8s, V6s, the good stuff. Hondas as well. I got a couple Hondas here. 2013 Honda Civic, 4-door, very nice car. It is pretty fucking fast. I also have the CRV, pretty sure that's a 2016 or 2015, I'm not sure. Okay. So once you got your cover on, you're going to want to throw your oil in. So this is the oil that I use, just 10W40, that's all. So just gotta open the cap here. So where you are dumping it is where I pulled this oil stick out of, which is right here. And you always want your oil to be on the second axe. You can see that second X. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my stick. And so what you, I don't know how much it is exactly, but I know the whereabouts. So it's about this much oil. Not too bad. I don't really use the funnel. I just go for it. Yeah, it is dripping everywhere. Fuck. It's because I had this new pipe installed right here. It's not bad. I enjoy it. It's fun to scare people. Backfires, spits flames, whatnot. I guess you guys can eyeball it. I'm not very good with measurements or anything, but I do love a nice engine any day of the week. I plan on doing more of these videos, actually. I can get deep into the engine for you guys too, if I get any views. If I don't give a fuck, but I definitely had fun. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up for you. Because you always want to let it run for about 20 to 30 minutes before your initial start. I do need new rollers for this, because it does have to kickstart. There's no battery life at all. It does kick very well. So if your scooter has been sitting out in the cold, give it a little gas once, twice. Then the third time you just want to go all the way back. Throw your kicker up. The pressure. So what I'm doing is I'm giving the alternator some taps to help it get started. So as I was saying, you want to click the throttle 3 times and hold it all the way when you start it. Hold your brake in, just kick it, give it some compression kicks, let off the gas. I had to tap my alternator because it didn't want to start, so giving it a good tap with a nice wrench will help it very much. I don't recommend doing it every time on startup, but it's definitely a nice way to give it that extra kick. And you want to turn your light on when it's warming up, because it's making the battery's dead, so it's charging the battery through the light. This is a brand new pipe, so it does smoke. Well, once it gets warmed up, it doesn't smoke as much, or it doesn't smoke at all, actually. It's really nice. And don't worry about this. You want to keep that on your bike. Don't worry why mine is off, but it's just a bunch of crazy parts I got on this bad boy. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had fun making this, but hell yeah, dudes, take it easy. I'll do more about the carbs, and I'll just go through the whole bike this summer. Why not? I honestly don't give a shit. So I can show you guys how to get in there, do some mechanical stuff, take the wheels off, maybe the chain. Yeah. All right, guys. See you.